Can you use AI to airbrush? Well, we're about to find out. I had limited time to complete this project, so I used AI to help me create my reference photo according to the specs that the customer had. The customer wanted Mickey Mouse to be in a casino and rolling dice, so I took several screenshots from AI and used Grok and Chat GPT to come up with these concepts. And then finally I kind of merged some of those together to help me finalize my final reference photo. Mickey Mouse rolling dice with the golden tooth and smiling, that's what we ended up finishing here. Even though AI was able to fast forward the concept, I still had to go in there in Illustrator and kind of cut different reference photos together to assemble something that I was comfortable with. I already knew the colors that I was going to use for the text. I just wanted to see what AI would give me, and this is what it gave me. I told AI I wanted a dark blue background, and then to make the text kind of, contrast and make them pop against that blue background. So it's kind of similar to what we have, and it was pretty good and accurate. As a graphic designer myself, I know that eventually AI is going to kind of replace artists in some way or another. Maybe the concept portion of designing is going to come from the customer by them using AI, and then you as a graphic designer would have to kind of translate that into an actual design program like Illustrator or a video file here if you're doing video and stuff like that. But overall, I think AI is going to help us kind of link or shorten that communication between the customer and the designer. In the past, the designer would literally have to kind of do like a guessing game and kind of read the customer's mind and translate what they have in their mind into something physical. But now customers have access to kind of come up with the concept and kind of just give you that and be like, hey, this is a reference, this is kind of what I was thinking about, I like this or like that, and then you have a better visual of what they're looking at. So it kind of reduces the amount of sketches that you gotta do. It reduces the amount of time in regards of as far as like going back and forth with the changes, and so that's in a way it's a good thing, because then you can kind of move quicker as far as finishing a design or completing some sort of artwork like this one. You just have to be kind of careful and trusting and double checking the reference photo, because when I did Minnie Mouse, it gave me the proper earrings for her, but it didn't place them in the right location. I was considering whether to leave them there or to put them up in the actual ear and kind of creating some sort of long kind of chain towards the top, but that would look funny as well. So I ended up talking to the customer, and the customer's like, no, let's go ahead and put them up on the actual ears. So all we had to do is just kind of cover the previous area, and then repaint those on the top, which it wasn't that difficult, since we were able to cover using the white, and then we were obviously using the background colors to cover some of that, so that wasn't too bad. So yeah, you can definitely make changes if you ever need to. You just cover it with white or black or whatever, do a couple of layers, and then if you can, press it. If not, that's okay, you can just keep on layering your colors. Final thoughts on AI. I think it's beneficial. It works for me. I think I'll be using it more in the future. I know it kind of reduces some of the talent, but I think down the line people are going to realize that they don't want AI generated stuff. When it comes to art, they're still going to want someone to physically make the art. That's where the value is the emotion and the stamping and time is what is very important. But AI is going to have its role in the future in many other industries, and it's here to stay. Just try to figure out how to work with it. So for now, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoy and have a great day. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Take it easy for now. Bye bye.